Welcome to TSplus Remote Access, a simpler alternative to Citrix and Microsoft RDS. In this short tutorial, we'll walk through remote printing, so your users can print easily and without interruptions. With TSplus Remote Access, you have two remote printing options, the Universal Printer and the Virtual Printer. Let's start with the Universal Printer. This is the default option, and it's ready to use right away. Works by converting documents into a PDF, and then sending that file to the user's local printer. The best part is, there's no extra installation needed, and because it supports HTML5 sessions, users can print directly from their browser, which is very convenient for web portal access. Now let's look at the Virtual Printer. The Virtual Printer is designed for speed. It compresses print jobs, which can help them deliver faster. There's just one thing to keep in mind. It requires a small, lightweight client app to be installed on the user's device. Because of that, the Virtual Printer is not compatible with HTML5 browser sessions. To manage your remote printing settings, open the Remote Access AdminTool and go to the Printer section. First, let's set up the Universal Printer. Click Universal Printer Manager to open the configuration panel. From here, you can open printer properties to customize the experience. You'll see multiple tabs, and each one gives you extra control, depending on your needs. In the General tab, click Preferences. This is where you can adjust common settings like page size, orientation, and the number of copies. You can also use Print Test Page, which is a simple way to confirm everything is working correctly. The Universal Printer Manager also includes a few helpful admin actions. For example, you can remove the printer, set it as the default, or open the print queue to pause, resume, or cancel print jobs. Now let's move to the Virtual Printer. Go back to the Printer tab and click Virtual Printer Manager. Here you can confirm whether it's installed, apply updates, or reinstall it if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more information and advanced documentation, please visit our website, tsplus.me.